Hi there. My name's Samantha Mant, and I'm the CEO of Halcyan Limited, which is Halcyan Water Conditioners. Um, we're a small company. We're based in Bristol, and we were founded in 2015. And we've been sort of steadily growing over the last 5 years, largely finding out about one of our marketplaces and testing the product in the UK, and then really started picking up pace in the last year or so. So we are a piece of environmental technology. We're a bit of an environmental engineering in a sense. What our water conditioner is a very simple bit of pipe. And basically our purpose is to treat hard water. It's incredibly simple. We basically take hard water and we make it behave like soft water, so that we take away the problems that the minerals in the water create, but we do it really, really sustainably. So the difference between us and a lot of other solutions in our particular marketplace is that we're hugely sustainable. The product itself each unit lasts for over 30 years. It doesn't require any inputs or outputs. There's no chemicals involved, no power. So it's really, really passive, but it's bringing all these benefits to the table without actually requiring the client, the user, as it were, to do very much. And fortunately, we have a full range of sizes. So we work freely in the domestic sector. We sell direct to our domestic customers. If you have a look at our website anytime, you'll see that. But we also have a full range that goes right up through the commercial and industrial range. And over the next few years, we're looking to really make inroads into sort of the agricultural sector and the construction industries and so forth, where we can really bring a huge benefit. So those are the sort of markets we're working in, but it's a really, really simple technology. It's the sort of problem, though, that particularly in the UK, it's a problem which everyone kind of knows about, but no one really wants to deal with. So one of our biggest challenges is actually it's not telling people what limescale is, but it's saying it is a big problem. And if you deal with it, these are the myriad of benefits that we can have. And I think the biggest problem that people need to grasp is that limescale is a massive energy consumer. It's a fantastic insulator. And the stat that I think stops most people in their tracks is that 1 millimeter of limescale on any heating element is consuming between 7 and 10% extra energy every single time it's turned on. Now you start extrapolating that out through the domestic and commercial markets, and that's massive. So that's what we are here to do. Our ambitions as a business are to grow globally. We want to cover all of those markets, domestic, commercial, industrial, and our mission really is to save millions of tons of carbon by this very simple, sustainable solution. So yeah, like I said, we're 5 years in. We've been growing steadily, got a nice gentle trajectory of improving turnover, and our profitability figures are very, very good, but we're just going a little bit too slowly. And so at the moment, what we're seeing is a very critical moment for environmental green technologies to come forward, to take their place, to help our economy grow, and to save carbon. And so we're at that position where we're starting to look and say, we really need to look for some investment because we need to accelerate. The growth is fine. Yes, we can bootstrap it. Yes, we know we can grow organically, and that's great. But why are we doing it so slowly? Surely we should be improving our impact across a much bigger range of things. So that's what we're after. We've got a business plan which I'm very excited about, and if we can pull it off, it's a 5-year business plan with a £14 million turnover target, and that's doable. It's quite conservative. It's been checked over. So that's what we're after. I mean, obviously at this stage we're very small. We're a private company. We're looking for investors sort of in a very light touch way at the moment because there's a lot of other things going on. And I don't know entirely where that will go. I want to stay involved in the business for as long as it's appropriate for me to stay involved, as long as my skills are adding value, and I think I'm really good strategically at things, but I'm very aware that as a small business we've got a lot of other skills that I need to bring in to pack around me to be able to really grow this business to its full potential. And that's where the Bessemer has really come in for us, because being very small, there's not many people to talk to. I talk to a lot of other entrepreneurs, but they're all in this fancy bit of software or this bit of retail or fast-moving consumer goods or something. So finding other people who are in solid manufacturing, creating widgets, information is really important, and it's been really valuable. Both the people I've spoken to and gone off down various leads, somebody to talk about investment, someone else to just get bounce some ideas around with, just another brain that's in our space, and then listening on the Zoom calls to what other people are, what's happening to them. It puts my normality, it gives me a normality, in our place. So that's, yeah, we love it. We really enjoy those contacts and the events. So yeah, we're here to stay.